Hello, everyone! Today we're exploring the classic and fascinating nonfiction book, Extraordinary Popular Delusions and the Madness of Crowds by McKay. First published in the 19th century, this book examines how large groups of people can become irrational, emotional, and dangerously obsessed with ideas, trends, and beliefs. The central theme of the book is simple but powerful. People in groups often behave very differently than they do as individuals. When emotions, fear, greed, or excitement spread through society, entire populations can lose their sense of logic and make destructive decisions together. One of the most famous examples discussed in the book is the Dutch tulip mania of the 1600s. During this period, tulip bulbs became incredibly valuable in the Netherlands. People began buying and selling them at absurd prices, believing they would continue increasing in value forever. Ordinary citizens spent fortunes on flowers, and speculation became widespread. Eventually, the market collapsed, ruining many lives. McKay uses this event to show how greed and crowd psychology can create economic bubbles.
Another major example is the South Sea Bubble in England. Investors poured money into the South Sea Company based on unrealistic promises of wealth and profit. Excitement and public hysteria drove stock prices higher and higher, even though the company's actual value did not justify it. When confidence disappeared, the bubble burst, leading to financial disaster. The book also explores the Mississippi scheme in France, another financial craze driven by speculation and false hopes. Through these stories, McKay demonstrates how easily people can become blinded by dreams of quick riches. Beyond economics, the book examines other forms of mass delusion throughout history. It discusses witch hunts, alchemy, fortune-telling, prophecies, and religious fanaticism. McKay explains how fear, superstition, and emotional influence can cause societies to believe irrational ideas without evidence or critical thinking.
One important lesson from the book is that human nature does not change very much over time. Even though these events happened centuries ago, the same patterns continue to appear in modern society. Financial bubbles, internet trends, misinformation, and public hysteria still occur because people are often influenced by emotion and social pressure rather than logic. The author repeatedly shows how individuals tend to follow the crowd because it feels safer and more comfortable than standing alone. When everyone around us believes something, it becomes difficult to question it, even if the belief is irrational. Another key idea is the danger of unchecked speculation and blind confidence. McKay warns readers that excitement and optimism can quickly turn into panic and collapse. The same crowd that drives prices and ideas upward can suddenly reverse direction when fear takes over. Although the book was written many years ago, its message remains highly relevant today. Modern stock market bubbles, viral social media trends, conspiracy theories, and mass panic events all reflect the same psychological patterns McKay described centuries ago. In conclusion, Extraordinary Popular Delusions and the Madness of Crowds is a timeless study of human behavior and collective psychology. It reminds us that crowds can be powerful, emotional, and irrational, and that critical thinking is essential in a world where people are constantly influenced by fear, greed, and social pressure. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful book content.